Harper had 29 seashells. She gives some to Ethan. Now Harper has 15 seashells. For A through C, choose yes or no to indicate whether each number sentence shows how many seashells Harper gave to Ethan. Let's reread this problem with these three questions. Is there motion? Is there no motion like a picture? Or is there motion with more or less? This will help us decide problem type. So here we go. Harper had 29 seashells. She gives some to Ethan. So this word right here, gives, when she gives, that is action. This is motion. This is motion. And so when she gives some to Ethan, she's giving them away. So this is going to be subtraction. This is subtraction. So what this tells us is that this is a start, change, result, unknown problem because of that motion. So we're going to use this graphic organizer to help solve the problem. So here we go. Let's read this one more time and use the graphic organizer. Harper had 29 seashells. So that's what Harper starts with, 29 seashells. She gives some to Ethan. We don't know how much, but we know that she gave away, and that's subtraction. And it's an unknown amount, but she gives some. We're just not quite sure how much. Now Harper has 15 seashells. Has 15 seashells. So there's our equation. It is 29 minus what unknown number is equal to 15. So that's what we're going to solve. Let's use a number line to help solve this, and then we'll use our numbers. So by using the number line, we're going to start over here with 29, and we're going to end over here with 15 because that's the result. Here's where 15 is on the number line. So we're going to determine the distance from 29 to 15, and that'll be our answer. So let's count back by tens. So we'll go from 29 all the way to 19, so that's plus 10. And now we're going to do another hop from, because that's 19, and we're going to hop from there over to 15. And that went 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4. So when we add 4 plus 10, 10 plus 4, that whole distance is really equal to 14. And so that's going to be our answer. That's our change. Our change was 14. 29 minus 14 equals 15. So since this is our equation, 29 minus 14 equals 15, we can write this in a couple different ways. We could also write this as 29 minus 15 equals 14. That's another way we could write it. We could even write 15 plus 14 equals 29. So several different ways that we could rewrite this equation. Back to our problem for A through C, choose yes or no to indicate whether each number sentence shows how many seashells Harper gave to Ethan. Well, let's look at this first one. 29 plus 14 equals 43. Well, that does not work because this number is too big. That number is too big because we were looking for 15. We would be looking for 15. Moving on to B, 29 plus 15, does that equal 14? Well, this is just not true. This is not true. That's not a good equation. This is not true. And so B is a no. And we said A is also a no. So now let's look at C. 29 minus 15, let's look at C. 29 minus 15 equals 14. Well, that's basically what we did. We were able to do 29 minus 15 equals 14. That was one of the variations of the problem. So C is correct. So C is a yes.